Hey guys, if your iPhone has the green screen issue, try these real fixes to save money. First, we need to perform a force restart to refresh your iPhone's system. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button, and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. This will restart your device and may resolve the green screen. If that doesn't help, don't try it too many times. It may indicate a deeper issue. Let's check if your iPhone is completely damaged or if it's just a screen issue. You can download iTunes or Finder on your computer, then connect your phone to it. If your iPhone makes the charging sound and iTunes detects your phone, it means your phone system is normal and it might just need a screen replacement. You might also have the chance to back up your phone's data using iTunes. If the problem is only related to the screen, you can take several magnet pieces and place them on the front or back of your iPhone. Let them sit there for about 5 minutes. This can sometimes help reset internal components that might be causing the green screen issue. If your computer can't detect your phone, it may have a system issue. You might need to try a system repair. If your phone has been exposed to water, try placing it in a box of dry rice for 24 hours, or use a fan to gently blow air over the charging port to help it dry out. Make sure the phone is turned off during this process to avoid any further damage. If none of these methods work, contact Apple support or find a reliable repair shop near you by asking your friends or checking Yelp. Like and subscribe if this helped. I hope you can fix your phone without any hassle.